Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to see how to make vegetable potato masala. It's delicious and just good for the any foresight. Before that, click that red subscribe button. Thank you guys. Let's see what you need for make this delicious vegetable potato masala. It's perfect for the masala dosa and it's so delicious. It have high nutrition value loaded with a lot of vegetables. You need a 6 potato. I boiled it already. 1 onion, 1 carrot, 1 green bell pepper, 1 cup cauliflower, 1 inch ginger, 1 cup peas, 4 green chilies, 1 tomatoes, half cup water, lemon for garnishing, few coriander leaf for garnishing for tempering, half teaspoon mustard seed, half teaspoon Urid Dal, half teaspoon cumin seed, half teaspoon coriander seed, few dry chilies, half teaspoon turmeric powder and curry leaves, and pinch of Asafetida. Now guys, take a pan. I used a deep dish pan. Add 2 teaspoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of ghee. The ghee gives the richness to this masala potato. I'm now adding all the tempering and let it splatter. Splattering. Now add the curry leaves and green chilies. I'm adding the turmeric powder and chopped onion and let saute for 1 minute. Once little bit sweat, we're going to add the salt. It's about 1 teaspoon and let it saute for another 1 minute. And now I'm adding the peas. I use it frozen peas and 1 cup chopped cauliflowers. Let it saute for few minutes. Now I'm adding green pepper, grated carrot, and saute again. The saute process will give nice combination of flavors in between the vegetables. Now I'm adding the chopped tomatoes. Now I'm lid on and cook about 2 minutes. Saute again and add another half cup water to make sure all vegetable cook until tender. Again, I keep the lid on and let it cook another 2 minutes. Now guys, I'm adding the boiled potato where I cooked before and I just mix all together and nicely coated with the other vegetable, and I place the lid and I cook another 2 minutes. Now I have the masher and try to mash the big chunk of potato to nice chunky pieces. I don't like to have a really mashy potato. I like to have like a little bit chunky pieces on my potato masala. So now I'm garnishing with the chopped coriander. Guys, now it's ready vegetable potato masala. This is delicious. It goes so well for stuffed dosas, roti, chapati. It just tastes so delicious, guys. You guys need to try this recipe. And now I'm give a try with a stuffed dosa. It's a potato masala and dip it with chutney. It's so delicious, guys. Just melt in your mouth loaded with the vegetables. Guys, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.